Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Outlook calendar with Google Calendar on your Android device, so you can easily manage all your events in one place. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need to use a PC or laptop for the initial setup. Open Google Chrome and go to the Outlook website, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click the calendar icon on the left sidebar. Next, click the Settings gear at the top right corner, and from the menu, select Calendar Settings. Scroll down and click on Shared Calendars. Under the Publish a Calendar section, choose your calendar from the drop-down menu, and under Permissions, select Can View All Details. Now click Publish, and Outlook will generate two links, one HTML and one ICS. Copy the ICS link as that's the one we'll need for Google Calendar. Next, open the Google Calendar website and sign in if you haven't already. On the left sidebar, click the plus icon next to Other Calendars and choose From URL. Paste the ICS link you copied earlier, then click Add Calendar. After a few moments, your Outlook calendar events will appear in your Google Calendar on the web. To sync these events to your Android phone, open the Google Calendar app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner, scroll down, and open Settings. Choose Find the Outlook blip you just added and toggle on the Sync option. That's it. Your Outlook calendar is now fully synced with your Google Calendar on Android. And there you have it. Your Outlook and Google Calendars are now seamlessly connected, keeping all your events up to date across devices. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.